Good morning, everybody. I would like to welcome you all to the show today. And before that, I'm very sorry for the bit of delay. We planned to start this show at 11 o'clock, but since we have a Talibur Kabali teaser release, I just wanted to give you people time to have enough time to talk about it on Twitter. So please do watch the trailer also. I'm a huge Talibur fan, so let's start the show with Talibur's blessings. So, before we start the show, let me introduce myself. I'm Ganga Barni, a writer from Chennai. And today the book that is getting launched is my book, A Sip of Love and a Sip of Coffee. First of all, let me tell you why I wrote this book. In India, parents don't talk to their children about first crush, first love. Parents they very consciously avoid the topic of love at home when they have teenage children at home. This book, I wanted to bridge the gap between parents and children. A child, when it goes through the adolescence, it is okay for the child to get attracted to the opposite gender. A girl can like a boy can like a girl, they can be fond of each other, they can talk a lot, that is fine. But if parents go and ask them continuously, why are you talking only to this guy? That is when children assume that to be love. And from the children point of view, I don't like when children read this book, not children exactly. When teenagers read this book, I want them to understand that it is okay to like a guy when you are for teenage, but that's not love. Love is not all that simple. You can ask anybody who has gone through a love marriage, and they will tell you how complicated love is, including me. So love can happen at a mature age, and this I want to be an opener for parents and children to talk. I want them to place it in the coffee table, read it, and then discuss about love at home. This book is basically the journey of two people, Avantika and Gautam. Avantika is a girl who thinks love can happen only once in lifetime. She wants to crazily, madly fall in love with a guy. She wants to marry him, have children, grandchildren, and die in his arms. But on the other hand, Gautam is a guy who thinks love is a very generous term. It can be used for as many girls as possible in a lifetime. Even at 80, he will want to fall in love with a girl again. And he'll be sincere to the girl, he'll make her feel like a princess, and then one fine day he'll fall out of love and he wants to move on. He wants to fall in love all over again and be sincere. These two people who are poles apart, they meet at school and they like each other. That is fine. But how do they take the relationship further? They replace the word friend with crush, and then they're doubtful if it is love. And when maturity hits them, does this puppy love stop there? Do they build a strong relationship out of it? That is the story all about. I hope you all like the book and enjoy the book, and I hope that you guys enjoy the show.